How's it going, guys? I thought I'd do a cold start video of my mulching mower that I haven't showed you. Oh, I have showed you, but I haven't showed you it running. This is stone cold. Stone cold. Alright. It normally starts within 1 or 2 pulls. Not a bad little runner. I'll give these guys a run. 4 horsepower MTD and my 3.5 horse daily runner with the homemade stack on it. I'll do the MTD first. Try and hold the bale bar. Hang on. Try to hold the bale bar and the camera at the same time. So it's a good runner. I'll do my 3.5 horse daily. How will I put the throttle on? I'll do my weed whacker. Always starts first pull. Cold as a rock. No choke, no prime. It's always a good one. I don't know, I'll try my leaf blower. Echo PP1000. Anyone that thinks Echo's a shit can jam it up their ass. Alright, they'll give Stihl a run for their money any day. Look, first pull. Choke, no prime. Jam it up your ass, Echo haters. I don't know. Go to the lawnmower graveyard. See if we can get a couple of these guys to start. I don't know, I'll try the fly mode that the piston locked up in it. I managed to unseize it with a nice bit hard red gun and a sledgehammer. And it's got oil coming out the exhaust, so I'll see if we can get this thing to start. There's just tons of oil coming out of the exhaust and that. What else can I try? I don't know. Try this thing. You can see this thing hasn't been used in a while. It's got weeds growing on it. So we can get this thing to start. Alright, let's try this. Full throttle. Try this. That was one start. I don't know. Try this thing. Alright, let's try this. Fuck. It's like at 35-degree day there. It's hot as fuck. Hang on. Let's try it like this. Fucking hell. this is cold. I was standing for hours with my hand on this thing. Alright, cold as a rock. This is a 25.4 cc GMC, cheap Japanese shit. Yeah, turn that on, prime a few times. Actually, no, it's got no fuel in it. No, it's got no fuel in it, so hang on, the truck's got fuel in it. It's got no tissue oil in it either, so hang on. Some oil and two-stroke fuel. Still brand. I am bored as fuck. Check this out. Film this and go everywhere. I can do it. Fuck, I hate all weather. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, now I'll try to start this thing. Cold start. Oh, sorry. Choke. Alright, let's do this. And this video's getting a bit long, so I'll do one more cold start. Whip snipper on nitro. I think it's got a little bit of nitro fuel left in it. Hang on. And it's cold as a rock. Let's try this. Yeah, it's out of fuel. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video.